I am Christophe Chapa, and I'm the commercial director at ETEX France Building Performance, and I've been with the company for almost 5 years now. My story dates back from early 2020 when the nasty COVID hit us in full force. To care about our teammates and keep them safe during this very dangerous period, we decided at ETEX France Building Performance to close our production plants from mid-March to early April 2020. However, some of our merchant customers remained open, of course with a very strict respect of sanitary rules, in order to serve some projects vital for the French economy, such as building hospitals or building schools. In order to help these customers, we were able to supply them with a limited range of product from our normal offer. Thanks to the help of our Spanish colleagues who kept us manufacturing and producing during this period, we were able to put in place a very simplified service to deliver goods and products to these customers, so they were able to continue their business. This very efficient service was thanks to very good cooperation between operation, supply chain, and sales. My story shows that the ETEX value, connect and care, is not only words and is not empty words. Through the COVID pandemic, we have been able to experience that ETEX works as a real team by being flexible, by reacting quickly, by being innovative. We were able to adapt to change and improve our way of working, and we succeeded to serve our customer in a very tough environment. This is what I call operational and passion for excellence. Team spirit leads to operational performance. The synergy between countries and between business departments allow us to react, to be proactive, and to adapt together. By showing our commitment, by working as a team, we were able to serve our customers, and we were able to provide them with a service and with an offer that was much superior to the one from our competitors.